Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use OnePay Debit Card at Walmart. So using a OnePay Debit Card at Walmart is simple and works just like any standard debit card. You can pay for groceries, electronics, or even get cashback at register, all with few easy steps. So, first step is, before heading out to Walmart, open the OnePay app and confirm your available balance. Make sure that your card is activated and has enough funds to cover your purchase, including taxes or fee if applicable. Now, pick your items and head to the checkout lane. OnePay debit cards are accepted wherever Visa or MasterCard is displayed, so you won't have trouble paying at any Walmart register. Now, at checkout, choose debit as your payment option. You can tap your card for contactless payments, insert the chip, or swipe the magnetic strip depending on the terminal. Now, enter your PIN if prompted. If you need cash, ask for cashback during your purchase. Enter the amount you want and the cashier will hand you the money along with your receipt. After paying, open the OnePay app to check the transaction. You will see the total amount spent, any cashback amount, and your updated card balance for easy tracking. And that's it. Your OnePay debit card works seamlessly at Walmart, letting you shop, pay, and even withdraw cash all in one trip. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.